As you see guys, that weekly Bitcoin candle here, it finished. We couldn't break the all-time high, as you see it here. That the all-time high guys, the weekly candle is telling us everything here. Yes, by the tail of that candle here, we tried to break it, but we couldn't. That bad news, but let's wait and see what's going to happen in the coming hours or the coming week, because the coming week, if you remember last week, what else we told you? We told you that weekly candle here is going to decide for us if Bitcoin going to go more higher or not. That candle will finish here, it doesn't break it, and it do exactly like in 2021. If we came here in 2021, same thing. Let me zoom it a little bit. As you see it guys, in 2021, same thing. It happened like that here. The weekly candle couldn't break it, and it gave us here a tail here, that 2021, and from here it started dumping. That weak candle going to come is going to decide for us if the Bitcoin going to go more higher, or from here we are going to dump. Let's wait and see. We'll reach to 111k. We still have here in the weekly that all trend like that guys. If that one getting broke here, the short going to apply. For long now you can come and do something like that, and you waiting if it's going to be broke. That one is going to be like a triangle. If we are closer to the top, as also we show you in yesterday video based on the on-chain analysis, it's left some room for Bitcoin to go more higher. Let's wait and see. You remember what else we told you here? We show you based on the Fibonacci retracement here. For those ones that just came, let me show you. We say it like that guys, we bring the Fibonacci retracement from the top here till down here, like that, and we said 1.61, is it above here? Exactly at that level here, 132. Also we draw it together, but me I just want to show you here, because that it happened every time. We came here to the past and we do it like that, and we see it till where it stopped. That meant that wave where we are now, where it stopped, it hit 1.61 and it reached to 2.61, but after a correction guys, because we hit 1.61, that one is going to be hit, but 2.61, let's see what's going to happen, if it's going to be hit or not. Now here, if we bring the Fibonacci retracement here, what it telling us, like that, and we put it from the tail of the candle here. You see me how I draw it guys, from the tail of the candle here, that one here, the peak, and the low here, 1.61, as you see it here, we told you 130, something like that. 2.61, is it more higher than 168? That meant what else we told you in yesterday Bitcoin on-chain analysis. We told you 127 or 160, and even here the Fibonacci retracement is telling us that. Let's hope that to happen that month, but because as you see guys here, see it here, let me zoom it a little bit to show you those things what I'm talking about. If you look with me here, you see that green line here, that the all-time high. Today candle couldn't break it guys, as you see it here, we couldn't break the all-time high. That meant the candle will close today. I'm talking here about weekly candle guys. The candle will close today, couldn't break it, so as we still waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours. Let me show you without those things. If we came and we see what the RSI telling us here in the weekly guys, if we see it like that, the RSI we still have here the divergence as we show you before here in the weekly, and now we are in the border of it, that the divergence guys, you see it here in the RSI, see it here that the divergence, very clear divergence here in the weekly. But the good news till now also we still above that zone here, where is the bulls they controlling. As you see it here, every time we fall down we tested, then we bounce, same thing. The only thing, the momentum, as we told you, it doesn't still like how it used to be before. That meant the momentum now is getting slower. It meant, look at it even here in the chart, that the first, that the second wave, and now let's see the third wave. Always in the third wave market doesn't got that power to push more higher, but also we still waiting what's going to happen here, because the divergence downtrend here, now we are in it. If the Bitcoin going to dump, is going to dump from here. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming days or coming weeks, because the coming week is going to decide for us. Because if you're looking even here at the past guys, it's doing the same thing. You see it here, you see the divergence here, that one here, it used to be a divergence guys. He tested here and he came back, he tested here, same thing. The only thing now, he pushed a little bit higher. Let's see if it's going to dump from there or not. So based on technical analysis here, we have here the divergence downtrend unless if we break it. If we break it, the scenario is going to change. Me, my view personally, I tell it to you, I told you 127k or 160k. And from there, we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days. I got those levels drawing in my chart. As you see, guys, let me to explain to you. You see that red line here where I put that arrow? That when is the halving cycle happen? And those arrows here, you see that arrow here, the one? That 500 days before the halving, indicating that the bottom exactly, guys. And that here, 500 days after the halving, indicating the top is going to become here in September, guys. So the view of me, as I told you, here 134k or 127k, that the place where me I'm going to consider to take some of the profit. And I got even 160k plus here, even here we show you even the one people they been with me didn't know that, because those ones here, you see that green line here, that blue one, those ones the target every time they happen in based on long term. We said here and it get it. Now the next one is it here at 174k. Let's see if it's going to be hit this coming days, because now it doesn't left a lot for Bitcoin to move more higher. As you see that the analysis of me, guys, that trend line here, that one, we break it now. As you see, that one with yellow, that one refused to draw it. We got that one here in the top, that uptrend you see here, that one is very long term one. As you see it, now when we're breaking that one, we need to break that last high here. If we break it, we are going to go back to test that one. So I think I explained everything to you. So base here on the weekly, there is nothing yet. We couldn't break, or we couldn't manage to break the last high here. Let's see what's going to happen if the Bitcoin going to give us like that a big double top and to push the Bitcoin down, or we are going to break it and it's going to give us like that high, low, another high. Even that one is possible, guys, if you see it with me here, because now as we are in an uptrend, guys, you see it here. Look with me here, high, low, another high, another low. So now it need to give us another high to break for us that last high here. If we couldn't manage to break that last high here, that's the top, and from here we're going to dump. That's normal, guys, everything is in front of you. So I think I explained everything to you here. Now let's going to see the coming news for all the week, guys. By the way, before we go there, guys, we want that video to reach to 100 likes, and know you can do it. So please, my friend, if you haven't smashed the like button, go now, smash the like button, write down a comment, tell me your thought about Bitcoin, what you thinking. That the Bitcoin is going to break for us that last high, or is going to dump. I want to hear that from you. You've done it? Thank you very, 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 very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord, where we give long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also on Friday, we enter a short in 3 coins, as you see them here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. We take from them some of the profit, guys, as you see it here. I'm going to show you even for other members here. As you see it, he making the Ethereum 7% because he uses low leverage, 9%, 3%. As you see that mine here, I take some of the profit from my Ethereum because the Ethereum looking like it's going to go higher. We add them to it, then we take in some of the profit, as you see it here. So if you want to make money like that, guys, as you see it, that the profit I make from that Ethereum channel, now I make $927 and I still have some. So if you want to make money like that, guys, no bias, no nothing. When we lose, we share it. When we make money, we share it. If you are interested, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it, you're going to land here. Click at join that one or that one or that one. Finish payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. That 2 here, that the last month for them, guys. Then we are going to change it. The price is going to be boosted. That elite, that the new price of it, and that one is going to be more than $30. So if you want to join us, act before the end of this month, guys. If you are interested, as I told you, you done it? Welcome to the family. Now it's going to see coming news for all the week, guys. All is going there. Coming news for all the week, guys. As you see, today Sunday, Powell he's going to speak. That one it will not affect. Monday we got a holiday everywhere. UK, USA is a holiday. Tuesday what we got? We got durable goods order and CPI consumer confidence. Wednesday what we got? FOMC meeting minute, that means they are going to vote to cut or not. Thursday what we got? The GDP of USA, initial jobless claim and crude oil inventory. Friday, what we got? We got Germany CPI and core PCI or inflation data of USA. So you need to be careful, guys, what that one going to tell us. Then we got Chicago PMI. So that one, the news we got all the week, guys. Over here is our friend, the table of us. We're looking at it every day here in that channel. Look at it, what it's telling us. US indices, they started the week red, all of them here. Nasdaq, SP 500, Dow Jones, all of them, they started red. Let's see if we are going to recover or not. Our friend down here, the VIX, as you see, they're telling us fair and scarness is too high, 22.29, because the tariff Donald Trump imposed in the European Union. But now there is a pause. Let's see how it's going to react the market to it. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in daily, guys. All is going there. Here we are in Bitcoin in daily, guys. Here Bitcoin in daily, look at it, what it's telling us here. He tried to recover to that high here. Let's see if we are going to recover now or no. Because now if we come here and we zoom here like that and we try to zoom it a little bit more, let me show it to you. We came here and we try to do it like that, guys. You see what we got here? We got another inside bar, same like the one we used to have here when it's getting broke here, market pump. Now same thing, we need to wait that inside bar where it's going to be broken above that one more long, guys. Down here, we're going to enter a short that based only on one candle, guys. Another thing we got here in Bitcoin in daily, let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? As you see, the 20 moving average is still going above. The Bitcoin fall down till here. Also, we make some money from that dump. Now, also we got a long day trading, guys. That's another story. I haven't shown it to you, but it's okay. Now here, what's going to happen? Either from here, we're going to dump, guys, and we're going to give us here a big double top like that, and we're going to see that Bitcoin going to dump. Because if we came here and we're taking off those moving averages like that, and we add the Bollinger Band, guys, the Bollinger Band, what it's telling us? It's telling us we are going to enter to a consolidation zone, like how it happened here, guys, like how it happened here, like how it happened here. So what that telling us, it's telling us we are going to enter in a sideways market. Then from there, we're going to see what's going to happen. If the touch here is the top and the Bitcoin going to fall down to break for us the 20 moving average, because till now we're still above the 20 moving average, guys. You see it? The one here also we're still above it. That means there is nothing changed. We're still in an uptrend here based on daily. But we got something else here in Bitcoin in daily. Let me show it to you. Is it the one here, guys? If we came and we see the RSI here, that one is not the normal RSI, guys. As you see here, we came below the extreme overbought area. Now what the view? Let's wait and see, guys, because that uptrend here, you see that uptrend here, that the uptrend, all the people they're talking about, we see it here based on RSI, we break it, but we need a confirmation here that a daily candle to close below it for us to see if the Bitcoin going to dump or not. Based on Bitcoin option, we show you the two levels, and we told you Bitcoin is going to spend all the week between the two levels. So those ones, the settings, guys, 125k and 99k. Let's see which one is going to be hit at first. So I think I explained everything to you. Now is going to see Bitcoin doing today in 12 hours. All is going there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours. Here Bitcoin also we've been waiting it to fall down here, but it touched just that 20 moving average. Now it's showing as if it's going to go back above. Let's wait and see. For us to enter more long, it's need to come to break for us that last high here. Look how it happened here. Exactly, guys. Same thing happened here. It happened even here. It happened even here. Same thing. Let's wait if it's going to break the last high. That meant more long. If the Bitcoin couldn't manage to break the last high and dump, that's another story, and that a trend change, guys. So we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours. Levels, you need to look close at them as every day here in that channel. Let me show it to you. Same thing, guys. We got that level here 108 570. We got that level here 115 640, and we got that one down here 102 603. So those ones, the three levels, you need to look close at them, what the Bitcoin going to do and how it's going to react there. I'm still waiting a correction to that zone here to touch for us the 50 moving average, and after that we're going to decide which direction it's going to go. So I think I explained everything. Now we're going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. All is going there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum, after it's breaking for us the neckline of that head and shoulder as we show you. Now it's showing as if it's going to go back here. Let's wait and see what's going to happen here, because now if we see it and we came and we do it like that, guys, the Ethereum here try to give us like that, like a triangle. Maybe it's going to go back to test above here. Even that one, it's possible, guys. So as we still waiting what's going to happen. Second scenario from here going to dump. If you want to catch swing trading in the Ethereum, we told you what to do. We got something else here in the Ethereum. Let me show it to you. It's very, very important, guys. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here? The Ethereum, he touched here in daily the 200 moving average. He touched it again here. He touched the 20 moving average in daily, guys, and gave us here a pin bar. Now what the view, we are going back to touch the 200 moving average. Then after that, we're going to see if we are going to break it or not, because till now us, we are consolidated here, guys, as you see it here. We playing in that 200 moving average, and if we break it above that, man, the bull market, it came back again. Let's wait and see the coming hours what they are going to show us, or which direction we're going to catch. If we want to be updated quickly, you can join us. Now we're going to see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, we still have here the divergence downtrend. We came here, there is no power, no one want to sell the Ethereum to push it more down. Let's see what's going to happen now. If we are going to break it here, that's meant to go more higher, like how it happened here in the past. Even that one, it's possible. So also we are ready for all scenarios. Then also we're going to decide which direction we're going to catch. Now we're going to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours. Sol is going there. Here we are in the Sol, guys. The Sol, we haven't entered it because it's still in an uptrend. There is nothing changed. You remember that one, also we show it to you. And we told you we got here a triangle like that. The Sol fell down, touch it here, and it tried to bounce. Now let's see if it's going to come back to touch the top here or no. Then from there, we're going to decide what the Sol going to do. Me, I'm still thinking the Sol, it's still powerful. Then Ethereum is going to pump more higher. That's my view personally. The only things we need to break that zone here, because is it the same like the Ethereum? Let me show it to you. As you see it, guys, you see here we got the 200 moving average. That the second time we touch the 20, like how it happened here. Let's see if we are going to break that 200 moving average above, or we're going to break the 20 moving average. No matter how long we spend in between that two moving averages, we are going to stay like that till we break in one of them, guys. That's the only things I can tell you. Based here on daily, there is no clear direction, either a uptrend or a downtrend. Here in daily, it's showing to us also we are in a zone which is a consolidation zone. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, we still have here the divergence downtrend here like that, as you see it. But our indicator, there is no power to push it down. That's why no one is selling. Let's wait and see what's going to happen. If we are going to perform here like how it happened here, even that one is possible, guys. And also we are ready for all scenarios. Now we're going to see Bitcoin is doing today in 4 hours, guys. All is going there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. As you see, the Bitcoin, he couldn't break that uptrend here. He fell down, he tested, now he bounced above here. Now what the view, there is one of two, because here we got a very stronger order block. Maybe from here going to dump again. That's possible, guys. Second scenario is going to break for all that small double bottom here. I'm going to show it to you in reaching to 30 minutes. And it's going to push more higher, either to come to that last high here or to break it to go more higher. But the only things I can tell you, the downtrend as we show you here is getting broke. That's why also we enter that long as day trading, because also we got already a short as swing trading, so we're hedging the risk for not to lose. And even the short, we're going to manage it to come out from it without losses. That way also we're telling you guys, you can join us. Also we're teaching you a lot of things, but it's up to you. We got something else here in Bitcoin. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here? As you see it, Bitcoin here, it fell down, he tested the 50 moving average, and now it came back above. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours, guys. If the Bitcoin from here going to push, or to break for us that double bottom also we got here, because that 4 hour candle it's left for 2 hours. If we break it, that means we are going to go back to that last high here, or 112k. So also we still waiting base here on 4 hours. Also we still in a very sharp uptrend, guys. I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, we got a big divergence here. We show you all those things, but we told you for you to catch a short, it's need that one to be broke. He couldn't break it, guys. He fell down, he tested, now he bouncing above. Another very, very important is it that zone here. That one here is very important, guys. As you see it, every time we touch it, we bounce. Now let's see if that one going to come back again, or from here is going to stay sideways like that till it's break it. Even that one, it's possible, guys. So also we're doing our job, and we see what's going to happen in the coming hours. That's the only things I can tell you, guys. Now let's going to see Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So all is going there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. That the double bottom I just show you in 4 hours. You see it here. Look at it, guys. Very clear double bottom here. Now on the double bottom in 4 hours, if it's getting broke here, we are going to see the Bitcoin pumping very hard. That number one scenario. Second scenario, we show you even that one here. We talking about it. It's getting broke here. We told it's going to pop. That what happened, and that now it's hitting for us the first take profit of us, because the first take profit of us it was here. It's being hitted. Now what is it the view here? At that time here, should you enter a short? Because now you are in a very stronger order block, and a lot of people they entering from zones like that. Should we enter a short? Me personally, I'm not going to enter a short, guys. I need a price action here. Yes, also we are in a very stronger zone, all those things, but we need a price action. Without price action, there is no entry, and also we still wait until we got one. Then also we're going to decide to enter a short, guys. That's the only things I can tell you. Now let's see our indicator we're saying today. Our indicator is showing to us a small divergence here, guys, as you see it here, because zone also we are in a very stronger zone. I'm talking here now, guys. Should we enter a short? I told you, a price action here for us to catch a shot. That's the view of me, guys, because if you came and you do it like that, you can see like a small flag, guys. You see it, that one here? Not a flag, guys, or a distribution level, or name it whatever you want. As you see it, we touch the top here, maybe that one is going to fall down again. Also, we still waiting what's going to happen. That one it touch extreme overbought area. We got a divergence there in 30 minutes, telling us the market is going to dump to where maybe to hit those stop losses they are down here. Then also we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming hours. I think I explained everything to you guys. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment, and if it's possible, you can share that video in any social media platform you like. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. In another video, guys. Bye for now.